Christmas is a season not only of giving, but of gratitude for the blessings and kindness we have so graciously received this whole year. While the challenges of the pandemic and our battle against the COVID-19 crisis is still not over, I believe our prayers were answered with the COVID vaccine, and for this, I'd like to specially thank our scientists, experts in the medical field, and contributors that aided the development of the vaccine, and the countless frontline workers for their persistent commitment to get everyone vaccinated. I call on each one of you for collective action by choosing to get vaccinated. 2022 is a momentous and special year for the state, with the coming of Meghalaya's 50th statehood year. As citizens, let us commit to contribute to the progress, peace, and prosperity of our beautiful state in our own ways. Wishing each of you a Merry Christmas and a hopeful New Year. Nasimang sakantinan kachan kapkapa Christmas aro kadongani genanggapa belshiketal ongchina. Nga ai khublei Christmas basuk but snem tmai ba kmen yapi baro. Thank you, Matela, Khublei, and Jai Hind.